Hey guys, today I will be showing you two fun square knot patterns. So let's get started on the first one. The first pattern is a simple square knot pattern with picots. Tie your first square knot starting with the left strand. Tie your second square knot starting with the right strand. Tie this knot about 1 inch down from your first square knot. Slide the second square knot up the middle cords, or the filler cords, to create two picots on the sides. Continue alternating what strand you start to tie your square knot with. Tie your third square knot about 2 inches down from the second square knot, and then slide it up the middle strands of rope. Tie your fourth square knot about 3 to 4 inches down from your third square knot. Slide the square knot up the center cords. You will now work the pattern backwards. Tie your fifth square knot 2 inches down from the fourth square knot, and tie your sixth square knot 1 inch down from the fifth square knot. To create the second pattern, tie all of your square knots starting with the left strand in front. All square knots will be tied to the two middle cords. Using the 4 middle strands, tie your first square knot. Continue tying square knots around the 2 filler cords in the middle. Pick up 1 new cord from each side of your work to create your new square knot. Tie 3 more square knots working the pattern in reverse. Leave a good amount of cord on both sides of your work when tying your square knots to create a circle shape. Repeat this process until you've reached your desired length. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out the description as I have listed a few extra resources for you there, such as a link to a more in-depth tutorial on how to tie the knot used in this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials.